Hi, this is Dirty Chad and the Boys coming to you live from San Diego with the weather report.
The ice is melting at an alarming rate. It's raining all the time. The polar bears are dying. We are dying.
Veronica, shut your dirty little mouth. These are the actual facts about what's going on. From the year 1960 to 2000, the temperature has risen a lot. Scientists have said that the negative impacts of global warming on agriculture, health, and environment far outweigh any positives. Scientists also say that 97% of climate changes are because of humans. Science achieves a consensus when scientists stop debating. Alright, now we're here for some actual facts. For those of you who don't know, climate change is a change in statistical distribution of weather patterns when that change lasts for an extended period of time. Climate change may refer to a change in average weather conditions, or in the time variation of weather and around longer-term average conditions.
Here's your drink, sir.
Thanks, peasant. On the broadest scale, the rate at which energy is received from the sun and the rate at which it is lost to space determine the equilibrium temperature and the climate of Earth. The energy is distributed around the globe by winds, ocean currents, and other mechanisms to affect the climates of different regions. So what's happening right now is it's getting real hot and the ice is melting, is what you were trying to say.
The ocean is a fundamental part of the climate system. Some changes in it occurring at longer timescales than in the atmosphere, as it has hundreds of times more mass and thus very high thermal inertia, with effects such as the ocean depths still lagging today in temperature. Short-term fluctuations, such as the Pacific decadal... Okay, can we stop? Examples of how life have affected past climate change includes glaciation 2.3 billion years ago, triggered by the evolution of oxygenic photosynthesis, which depleted the atmosphere of the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide and introduced free oxygen. And global cooling over the past 40 years, driven by the expansion of grass glacier ecosystems. Slight variations in Earth's orbit lead to changes in the seasonal distribution of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface and how it is distributed across the globe. There is very little change to the area annually average sunlight, but there can be strong changes in the geographical and seasonal distribution.
Thank you, Veronica, and thanks to the intern that covered for me. The three types of orbital variations are variation in Earth's eccentricity, changes in the tilt angle of Earth's axis, or rotation in precision of Earth's axis. Combined together, these produce Malekanga cycles, which have large impact on climate and are notable for their correlation to glacier and interglacial periods. What that basically means is that the ice is melting and the polar bears are going to die. And now for the weather report.
Go.
This is Ron Swanson with the weather report. It's pretty windy outside. We got some rain. Climate change is going crazy right now. As you can see, we got rain. Lots of it. Along with this rain comes lots and lots of hail. As you can see, it's been hailing due to climate change. Back to you guys.
Action.
Thank you for the weather report. And now to help us better understand what's going on, here's a musical for the kids.
Ever heard of global warming? It's actually quite alarming. It relates to climate change. It happens each and every day. Go green, people say, before the world gets rearranged. The global warming is increasing. The CO2 is releasing. The emissions from the cars are almost as hot as these bars. The pollution goes so far that the world is slowly dying. I mean, it's almost reaching Mars. These emissions are horrifying. We should be living like cowboys. Too bad we're Dirty Chad and the Boys.
And that's a wrap. What the